Hey guys, it is, what day is today, Jada? Thursday. It is Thursday morning, and JJ here, hello, is going to fly with me.
That's how you know I'm tired. My voice is so deep right now.
Said, hey. But yeah, so she's flying with me tomorrow to
Minneapolis.
Minneapolis, and I am staying by the Mall of America, so we're gonna go there, and then afterwards we're going to Kansas City, Missouri. So come along on our trip.
It's a little dysfunctional.
Alrighty, bye. Good morning,
Good
friends.
morning, America.
Okay, so it is 6:30 right now. We are getting ready. I have a report time of, well, Jada has to be there by 7:30, so we're getting her through Clear Reserve, and then we are going to head, hopefully cross our fingers, to, where are we going first, Jada, again? Missouri. No,
Minneapolis.
Good morning from the parking lot. We are here, and we are going to go through security. Hey y'all, hey. We got our Starbucks, thanks to Mom Dukes over here. Jada has her Starbucks. And we wait.
Oh, this is so heavy.
It took us a little bit, but we made it to the hotel. Yay! We're gonna get ready to go to the Mall of America. But first we got to change. Yeah? Yeah. Yay! Also, I'm just wearing the usual fit. Jeans, my, what are these? Cortezes, and my Uniqlo bag. Jada has on over here.
You like glasses?
Shoes, Jordan 4s, lightnings. Pants, scarves, Skims. Let's go. Alrighty, we're headed to the mall. Alrighty, y'all. So Jada and I got matching outfits from Aerie. We'll show you what it looks like later, but right now we're in like the theme park section of the mall. Very confused. So we found Squidward, and we're about to meet him right now. Hi, Squidward. He's ready. Oh, yeah.
Why do some people even have to think about that? I'm so glad that you said it.
Alrighty, so backyardigans are over here. Hey. Okay, so they also have this ride called Fly Over America. We said soaring over California. They also have this ride. I don't know what this is, but it looks really cool. Oh, my lantern? What is it? That looks really cool too. It kind of looks more fun than the roller coaster. I like that one. Keep your eyes right there. Guys, I'm just like flabbergasted by this whole indoor amusement park situation going on. They got Photo Pass over here. What? Dora's Circus. Not circus, what is it? Circulo de Cilio. Cute. Look at the stingrays. Wow. Small has its own aquarium. We were gonna go, but we didn't realize you had to pay to get in, and the mall is gonna close in like 2 hours, so not worth it right now. This is like our third or fourth time going up and down these elevators. We're looking for boba. We're literally looking for boba, but it's right around the corner, so cross our fingers. Alrighty, so we got our boba, and the place that we ordered is from Uni, which is really cool. Like, you can not design it yourself, but like you put all your own little things on it. Yeah, on a kiosk. But it said no extra sugar as one of like the options. So I was thinking no like additional sugar on top of what they already put, but that's not what it means. It means no sugar at all in your drink. So we got our drinks without any sugar. Luckily, we asked and they gave us some sugar on the side to add, so it tastes better, but not the best boba we've ever had. All right, Jada, what would you rate it? 3 out of 10. I say it's like a 5. I think hers is a 5 or 6. Mine's like a 5 for sure though. So that's our thoughts on Mall of America boba 1. There's 2 other ones. Maybe next time we'll try them. To the hotel room. Jada got in some cutie pics and it is time for our haul. Okay, so first I got this. Maybe I'll do the haul over here. Okay, so we're gonna do it by this full length mirror. Turn lights on. So first I got this. Oh, it's not focusing. There we go. I got this little bathing suit cover up because Jada and I are going to Maui Wowie in, where are we going, Jada?
End of March.
End of March. And then we also both got these North Face bags because we're PNW gals. So they're literally like little, they look like puffer jackets and they're insulated inside too. The material, hold on. I'm not doing this the greatest right now, but like that's the inside. It feels like the inside of a jacket and so many pockets. I'm a pocket gal. Love that, especially for traveling, going to Disney parks and all. And then, hold on, I'll show you what else. Okay, so I changed and I also got this little outfit. So I got a bathing suit. It's cute. It was buy one, get one, 50% off. No, buy one, get one free. And then I also got these shorts that match with the cardigan over here. So this is the set all together, which is super cute. Yay. All right, sister talk with Jay and Jess.
Mukbang. Our gang, don't bang.
Alrighty, so we got our canes. And
just smell it. Smell it. I mean, we never tried it anywhere outside of Texas, so.
Yeah, so we have we got the 3-piece nugget meal with fries, Texas toast, yes, and then special cane sauce, yum. I'll be right back. Jada, you want to take a picture? I'm gonna get a photo of it because, yum. Okay, so we're going to dive in. The thing we did forget to get is extra sauce, but that's okay. I think honestly they didn't give us a whole lot of fries, so.
Follow me on Instagram, Jada Kim or Jada Rose Kim.
So solid.
Sauce tastes the same.
I think the first time I had this was actually in Nala, New Orleans, and I had it ordered, and then we had it again. We had it again when we went to Texas, and that was Jay's first time. It's so good. We just ordered it. It was a 14-minute drive, so we ordered it.
Yeah, I had a coupon though, so it was like not bad.
At all. Fries, a little soggy with the sauce. Can't even tell.
Okay, can you? I need to eat in peace.
Texas toast. 10 out of 10. My camera's about to die anyways, so let me just eat this real quick for taste test. Solid 10 out of 10. The chicken's warm. The girl who delivered this,
So nice. 10 out of 10. She had like the little, what is it called?
a warming bag.
Across the globe, the vast majority of children.
Guys, you can order this in, where are we? Minneapolis.
Oh, did you say the bread?
Yeah, the bread is good. Alrighty, we're going to eat in peace, and we will catch you probably in the AM, because we've showed you all we've had to show you for today.
Hopefully you'll see me in
I know, we're going to Kansas City next. Go Chiefs. Oh, I'm not that.
Alright, goodbye.
Okay, bye. They did just win the Super Bowl though. Okay, bye. Appreciate y'all. So it is currently 4 a.m. Minneapolis time, and that means it's 2:28 Seattle time.
I cannot be outside. No.
We are getting ready to head to the airport right now. I'm going early to.
This airport's confusing, so she's gonna help me.
Yeah, I'm going early to go with JJ, and then we're going to find where the plane is. Jada and I stopped to get some Starbucks.
It's taking forever.
Yes. What sandwich did you get? And then what kind of drink did you get? Yeah, no whip on there. And then I got a pistachio latte with matcha cold foam. It's pretty good. It's my first time trying it. Hey guys, so Jay and I made it. We are in Kansas City, Missouri right now. And we are ready for the gym. We are going to work out, but first we're gonna eat some barbecue. Jada and I didn't really know until
What? We didn't really know?
until we got here. We didn't know until we got here that Kansas City was famous for their barbecue. So we got some recommendations. We heard that they were good, and we are going. Jada, where are we going?
Burnt something.
Burnt something. It's about
out?
burnt out.
Yeah, it's called burnt out barbecue.
Yeah, but we're gonna get some barbecue and we'll let you know how it goes. Alrighty, see you there. Bye. Okay, so we're by another like mall area. Ooh, it's a little chilly out here. Scary. Oh, go Chiefs. Oh.
Alrighty, so here's what our platter looks like. Yum. We killed it. Yes.
Alrighty, so we just had barbecue, and it was,
I think it was like a 5 or a 10.
but yeah, it was
I
like,
just like the barbecue sauce. Everything else was like normal.
exactly.
Nothing special.
The city is cute right now. You can see all the lights are out. Jada and I are heading back. We are, what are we gonna do? We're going to work out. Sorry, I'm so tired. Wowza. But yeah, so we're gonna work out, and that's pretty much it, I think. Oh look, stuffies. But yeah, we have to take these bridge over, and then we'll be back at the place. Made it to the gym right now. I am officially done for the day. Done. Yeah, we made back from the gym. I'm very tired. Look at this though. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh my god.
I think that concludes our time here in Missouri.
Kansas City.
Sorry, skinny, that was not very ladylike. Alrighty. Bye.
Oh boy, can you feel it in the air? Oh boy, there's magic.